Oh yeah, we're taking Western. Thank you, Corkers. Yeah, I'm the back. I'm trying to stay being the back. Not perfect, but
I don't have nothing identifiable about you that I can like see.
right. So I don't know why I'm thinking that.
Happy Pride!
Woohoo! Happy Friday! Happy Pride! Happy Friday! Whoa, hey!
Yeah,
Look at you go! Woo! Let's try to stay 4 wide. Right? Mass up!
Someone grab that
We're taking the whole road. I would really appreciate if you wouldn't be right on our asses. You're not going to go anywhere faster. You're not going to go anywhere faster.
Might go to jail faster.
Why are you trying to time traffic?
Get your arm in the fucking window and drive your car. Get your arm in the fucking window and drive the car. No one's hurting you.
Do you want to tell your kids about how you murdered someone? What?
I'm down to talk to you. Y'all want to line up?
Huh?
Just line up.
Yeah, we need to be 4 wide here. 4 wide.
I'll stay center. Can we take that lane?
Car back! Car back! Hello, Corky. Hello. I'm not gonna let you be the very last in line. Hi, buddy. Hello. Oh, you're so good. You're so good. Oh, the bestest doggy.
I think I'm going to turn back. Are you guys able to get a grip on speed? I'll just turn back. Ah, you get your own escort.
Georgia plate, Delta Bravo, Peter 4136.
Let's get past this fall, so we don't have to worry about it. We'll have to worry about them either way. Let's get as many people as we can up there.
Man, Georgia drivers suck. Car back.
Oh, roll! Yeah, come on, shoot me. What are you doing? I'm the family.
No, but hers is more important. Hers is more important.
Fucking bike. I'm a disabled veteran. With an e-bike. Maybe you should consider putting your hands on the wheel. I was hating you anywhere. This is wrong. I think that's how my 6-year-old nephew pops when he doesn't get his way. So, makes sense.
Yep.
Thank you for your service. They tell me every day, thank you for your service, but they run me off the road. We're gonna have to tighten up on the front of her.
Yep.
Going faster?
Was that too much tight?
No.
Yeah. Please keep going. Watch out! Tell me right
You do that again.
right now.
You do that again.
I survived
You do that again.
Afghanistan. I survived Afghanistan. I survived war. Give it a break, bitch. Slow down. Stop.
You're only slowing yourself down.
I called 911 already.
Oh,
Yeah,
good.
that's
Good for you. They're not gonna do shit.
Yeah, you gonna run over shit? Yeah, hit me. Go ahead.
What? I can't hear you. I can't hear you. No, we're being bullied.
Oh, hell yeah. You got the camera on there, right?
Oh yeah, I got their plate. It's her fault.
Yeah, everyone.
It's her fault.
What'd she do?
She's riding our ass.
Trying to push through the whole bounce.
She's pushing through us
Trying to kill.
rather than being patient.
Everyone else could handle just driving along, not zooming.
So we're letting the mass kind of push forward a little bit.
Yeah. She wants to kill someone today. She hit him.
Oh, you actually got hit.
No, she
Yeah.
bumped into me on purpose, but
That's not out.
She's the problem.
So now she's got the cops coming. She's the one that's gonna get the ticket.
Oh, don't worry, they won't come.
No, they won't. It'll be like an hour from now.
Oh, I've called them and they've never showed up like 4 times.
I'm ready to roll, but she didn't.
I'm ready to roll. I think we just need to make a line and block
For that distance to there, we just need
because she's
we just need a
picking
line.
every single gap trying to sneak her way through the mass. Let's roll it.
Let's make a line and then we're gonna turn.
Let's go. Let's cross the road. Let's go. Congrats on making it even later. Please hold the center lane.
Yep.
Hold the center lane. Or hold the center turn lane.
No.
15.
Make me.
Hello, the street.
No, you.
You don't hit bicyclists.
You don't hit anyone.
Right turn, y'all. We went right. Peel off from the left first. Oh, you brought cones. Did you leave them on the car? You put on our car. It's damaged. All right.
Bye, cunt. Bye, cunt. She's like, I'm trying to go home to see my kids. Meanwhile, trying to run us over.
Oh, look at that taco!
Woohoo! All because of one person.